How to change country in Google Play Store. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change your country in Google Play Store. In order to change your country in Google Play Store, first of all, you will need to ensure that you meet all the requirements, which is you must be physically located in that new country, or you will need to use a VPN that reflects your new location. Also, you will need a valid payment method associated with that new country. And you can only change your Google Play Store country once every 12 months. And if you have recently changed it, you won't be able to change it now. Also, make sure you are eligible to change your country on Google Play Store. Now, to get started, first open your Play Store of your device. And once you open it, make sure you are logged into your account. After logging into your account, you will land on this home page. Here at the top right, you will be able to see your profile icon. Simply tap on your profile icon and then a menu will appear at the bottom. Here now you will need to select the settings option from this drop-down menu. Once you tap on the settings at the bottom, this will take you to the settings page. Now here select general option and then under it tap on this account and device preferences option. Again you will be taken to a new page. Now here under the country and profile section you will be able to see your current country. And if you are eligible to change your country, you will see an option to switch it to a new country based on your current IP address. You will need to simply tap on the option. By using VPN, you can select the country you would like to switch to and then tap on this add credit or debit card and you may need to add a payment method from that country. Here tap on this continue button in this pop-up and then enter your payment method. After entering the payment method, you will need to complete the process by following any additional prompts. Also note that it may take up to 48 hours for the changes to take effect. And after following those steps, you should be able to change your Google Play Store country and region. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.